We are going to learn generalized form of Euclid's division lemma. So already we saw Euclid division lemma theorem, right? In that theorem we taken two positive integers and we solve all those things and we satisfies the condition. Now here also the same procedure we are going to follow. Here we are going to take let a and b any two integers. It's not positive integers, it may be a negative integer also we can take, right? So let a and b be any two integers, then they exist unique integers q and r, such that what formula I taught you yesterday, a equal to bq plus r, a equal to bq plus r, okay, where what condition here we are going to use, 0 is less than or equal to r is less than modulus of b. Okay, so what is the difference between normal Euclid division lemma and generalized form of Euclid division lemma? Now we will see. In that Euclid division lemma, positive integers only we should take, but here we can take positive or negative also. But in the same thing, in Euclid division lemma also it has a unique integers, here also it has a unique integers q and r. So both are same only. The formula also same, a equal to bq plus r, everything is common, but condition is different. In Euclid division lemma, 0 is less than or equal to r is less than only b. Okay, here less than 0 is less than or equal to r less than modulus of b. Modulus of b means, modulus means in last class itself I explained, if inside the modulus if you are putting negative number we will consider as a positive number. Okay, if you are putting minus 3 we will consider that one as a positive value only. Now we will check one, we will learn by using one example. Okay, now my dividend, that means a equal to plus 17, okay, divisor, that means b equal to, I am going to divide this one by minus 5. So quotient, you know very well in 5 table 17 is not possible, so 15 is possible. How many times? 3 times. So here plus is there, here minus is there, so you should put divided plus 17 by minus 5, you will get the answer minus 3 quotient. Remainder you just check it. What is the remainder you will get? Remainder equal to 2. Okay. So dividend equal to a, divisor equal to b, quotient equal to minus 3, remainder equal to 2. And then now you just apply here in this formula 17 equal to minus 5 into minus 3 plus 2. Now you just check it, 17 equal to minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17 equal to 17. 17 equal to 17. You just apply this value in this condition, 0 is less than or equal to, what is r here? 2 is less than, put what is b value here? Minus 5. So minus value, already I explained previously, inside the modulus if you are putting negative value also you should consider as a positive value. So this is not minus 5, this is a plus 5, then only this condition will be satisfied. So that's all. This is generalized form of Euclid division lemma. In next class we will see Euclid division algorithm. Thank you.